Hi, and welcome to beautiful 222 Bella Vista, located in downtown Los Gatos.
We're just steps away from top Los Gatos schools and the bustling downtown shopping and dining districts.
This historical property was extensively rebuilt in 2016 for today's lifestyle. You'll love the classic Mission Revival architecture and the exceptional period details combined with the refined and gorgeous finishes that are showcased throughout.
The open floor plan flows beautifully, providing spacious living areas. There are 4 ensuite bedrooms in the main house, including a bedroom on the first floor and a detached garage and attached studio with full bathroom.
Enjoy the tour.
Enjoy a quick stroll downtown for a fabulous meal and come home to your own personal paradise.
You will just love this location and this beautiful property. We look forward to showing you.
Until next time.